do this. Okay, so let's go ahead and back into the home page and let's find some random stuff. You know what? This is PG friendly, so I can put ads on this and ad revenue, random stuff like that. So let's go ahead and search up. Fidget cube. Apparently they're a big thing. I got ripped off. Scammed. Fidget cube. The fidget cubes are only like trending at $15. My dad says I need a fidget cube. Add to cart. Woo! You guys saw nothing. That magic wand, I don't know what that is. Totally didn't order it already, Oh, Jesus, it would have used bloody... It would have taken forever. And you know what? 8.23. Wait, you serious? Literally just one day less. And it could arrive the same time for extra $3 late. Why? Jesus. I know. Damn it. China. Let's see if we can buy the whole of China for like $1. Maybe. Oh shit. $2,000 the first thing that comes up. Rare. It's quite rare. Okay. So this, yeah. This stuff is quite expensive. Shit. Oh crap. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and search randomly tooth. See if anybody's actually posted their tooth. No. Human tooth. Oh god, please. I wouldn't actually mind. There's actually nothing. I was expecting random people to post teeth on eBay. I mean, it makes sense. So there's actually nothing. Oh, okay. I would actually buy a model of a head just so I could use it for video destruction. Okay, so what's GBP mean? Oh, you have to buy them separately. Of course they're out of penises. Let's just randomly get some skin. What? $56, you know what? I need new skin anyway. I have this stupid rash on my bloody hands. No, don't think wrong, people. I do not do that at night. God, no. So far, I've spent $50. I might put down the bar. I might just spend $100 because I'm a bloody cheap ass. Actually, I wonder if you could... $10. Seriously, if there's $10 for like $1,000, I'm totally gonna buy that. Totally worth it. $10. God, please. Seriously. Okay, guys. 10 $1 bills is $21. Oh my god. Oh my god. So for a $10 2003 note, it costs $28. Seems about right. You know what? Let's go ahead and let's go sort to the highest price. Money, money, money! What? Mongolian $10 treasure note of government. $289,000. Oh my god, what? This is ridiculous. $10 billion, like, that's probably fake. I believe that this is $10 billion. God help me. Guys, I just put a second mortgage on my house. Not only I don't even own a house because I'm a fucking retard. Scrolling through, there's another one. Australia, $300, 2012. Why? Why would you want such a big coin? Okay, you know what? Let's go. Let's see what comes up if I type paper. Seriously. Okay. Okay. Crayon on paper. $1 million. Fuck my life. I just want some paper. Make me a millionaire with a paper clip. Yeah, okay, totally, man. This person's trying to sell a bloody paper clip for $1 million. Like, why? Who would buy it? Like, are you serious? Oh, this art's actually quite good though. This art down. Okay, that's just ridiculous. Dollar signs. These watches, limited edition. You know. You know what? You know what? I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna go kids drawings. What's gonna be on there? I didn't want this. I just wanted some random kid's drawing. Are you serious? Look at this. 4 times chunky plastic paint brushes, chubby handle children's art craft drawing, $5,000. Like, what? Shut up, Dad. Related. iPhone 4S case. Seriously. Let's search something random and go. No. Rotten apple. God, I hope nothing comes up. You never know with the internet. Okay, it is legit. No. Rotten apples. Thank God for that. You know. Let's just search up apple then. See what comes up. Hayward Enterprise Apple stand meter 120 Insta Unlimited. Damn. Oh shit face, that painting is worth a lot of money. More than my house. I don't have a house. I'm in a random house making this a video for you guys so I can actually get money from clickbait. But it's not working because YouTube's ad revenue crisis. Jesus Christ, YouTube. Oh! Wait. What if I type in eBay? Is eBay selling eBay on eBay? eBay business for sale includes all inventory. New warehouse home on 4 acres. Legit. Oh my god, are you serious? I don't know if this is eBay or eBay. Okay. Now we're gonna get a bit more random. We are gonna do some random shit on the. We're gonna go and go poo. I hope there's no poo on here. I hope it's not. Are you kidding me? PP emoji poo stuffed pillow caution smiley face home sofa decor $10,000. Totally not a scam. You know what? I've got another idea. $1. $1. Guys, I would totally pay $2 million to get $1. You know, that is a fair trade. You guys know that, right? You know what? I'm gonna get a mortgage on my life for this dollar. You know, Look, it legit says $1. That's from 18. Fuck my life. I must die tonight. Now let's check. This is how you never own a home, guys. Oh my god. Shipping. What happens if I, since I'm in New Zealand, I'd have to pay a bloody input fee as well. Just to work that out, it's 15% of the original price in New Zealand. So, let's say it was around there, 1.15. That's like, seriously? That's like an extra $375,000. That could be a house right there. Jesus Christ. Totally worth it. Totally worth it. Fuck no. Get out of here. I just lost my ag revenue. No! Why? Okay. What happens if I randomly search pens? What are you guys thinking? What were you thinking I'm going to type in? Jesus Christ. Okay, that's not this bad. Oh wait, it's on best match again. No wonder it's not getting the bloody highest price. The price is right. Okay. Interesting. I don't really count this pen, I don't know. It's a limited edition pen, so must be worth the money then, guys. It's like, will you pay $469,000 for a pen where you can just buy a house? Like, again, I'm invading a home right now, so, I would rather pay rent or actually get my own home instead of getting a pen. This is how stupid I am. I live under a bridge, I break into people's homes to make random YouTube videos that I bloody upload on different computers all over the place, all over the world, and what do I get? I get a bloody pen. Not a house, a pen. This is shit sometime. Wait, what? You know what? Let's sort this out. Let's buy, for our last object, a shotgun. Not totally a shotgun. It might take a while, so I'm not going to be able to get the shotgun before I die, so you know what? Let's just buy a new life. Let's see what comes out. Maybe I will be able to buy a new life. Fucking hell, I don't want a radio station. Again, lost my bloody ad revenue. Let's go best match. I want a new life. All I want is a new life. I don't want fish food. Why? I just want a new life. Maybe taking those... Maybe if I eat the fish food, I'll get a new life. You know what? I'm gonna do it. All around me, I see familiar faces, familiar places, familiar places. Guys, my life is over. I'm about to order fish food to create a new life. A new life for me. A new life for everybody. Oh yeah, and I also ordered a bloody penis. They ended up having one in stock, so, biology. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this random shit. Remember to subscribe for more content. Twitter and Instagram links are in the description. I'm gonna order this, and I'm legit gonna do a unboxing for you guys. How much did I spend? You know what? I might go through and add a few more things. My budget of $1,000. No, $100 really. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember to leave a like on this video if you enjoyed it. Remember to dislike this video if you disliked it. Remember to subscribe for more content. Twitter and Instagram links are in the description. I will be posting a live stream soon about this unboxing. You know what? It won't be near future. It will be 11 days away. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you very much for watching. Remember to subscribe for more content. Wait, I've already said that, and I'll see you guys in the next video.